Want to combine the convenience of Crypto.com with the ultimate security of a hardware wallet? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to link your Crypto.com account to your Ledger wallet for enhanced asset protection. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Connecting your Ledger hardware wallet to Crypto.com gives you the perfect balance of easy trading and maximum security. While they don't directly link in a traditional sense, I'll show you the secure way to move assets between them. First, understand that this is a transfer process rather than a direct connection. You'll be moving assets from your Crypto.com account to your Ledger wallet's address, where you maintain full control of your private keys. Set up your Ledger device with the Ledger Live application if you haven't already. Install the relevant crypto apps on your Ledger for the assets you want to transfer, and generate receiving addresses for each cryptocurrency. In your Crypto.com app, navigate to the Accounts tab and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. Tap Withdraw and choose External Wallet. Carefully enter your Ledger wallet's receiving address. Always do a test transaction first with a small amount. This verifies that everything is working correctly before you transfer larger amounts. Confirm the transaction on both your Crypto.com app and your Ledger device. A crucial pro tip: double-check addresses character by character, and use the copy-paste function rather than manual entry when possible. Enable whitelisting in your Crypto.com security settings to add your Ledger addresses as trusted recipients, adding an extra layer of protection against withdrawal scams. And just like that, you've successfully secured your crypto assets with Ledger's hardware protection. This method gives you trading convenience while ensuring long-term storage security. If this guide helps you enhance your crypto security, please give it a like. What's your preferred method for storing crypto long-term? Share your security strategies in the comments below. To explore more payment features, subscribe for our next video on how to create a Crypto.com Pay wallet. Thanks for watching.